Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you how to pass Arena 10 in Clash Royale step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Clash Royale and go to your battle deck. Make sure that your deck is balanced. You need one main win condition, solid defense, support troops, and at least one reliable spell. Next, upgrade your main deck cards as much as possible. Card levels matter a lot in Arena 10, so focus on upgrading cards you use every match. Now choose your win condition like Hog Rider, Giant, or Royal Giant. These cards are how you deal tower damage and win games. And after that, add support troops such as Musketeer, Baby Dragon, or Electro Wizard to help on both offense and defense. Then pick at least one strong spell like Fireball, Poison, or Lightning. Once you're in the match, play patiently, defend first, and don't overcommit. Use elixir wisely. During double elixir, start building stronger pushes with your main win condition and spells to finish off towers. Stay calm, play smart, and you'll climb out to Arena 10 fast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.